Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to loop through a tuple in Python. This is super helpful when you want to go through every item one by one and perform actions like printing, counting, or processing them. Let's now open PyCharm and create a new file. Right-click on the tuples folder, choose New Python file. Let's name it tuple_loop. Let's define a tuple with some fruits. We type fruits equals within round brackets. Inside the brackets write within double quotes apple, within double quotes banana, within double quotes cherry, within double quotes date. This creates a tuple named fruits with 4 string items. Now let's loop through them. Let's use a for loop to print each item. We type for keyword, then variable name called item. In keyword followed by tuple name fruits and then colon. On the next line we type print function within brackets variable item. Let's run the program and see the output. Apple, banana, cherry, date. This means Python is visiting each item in the tuple and printing it one by one. Now let's say you want to use the index while looping. We use the range function. We type for keyword loop variable I, in keyword range function, within brackets len function, within brackets fruits and then colon. Indented line print within brackets fruits within square brackets I. Let's run the program. You will get the same output, but now we are looping using index values. This approach gives us more control. Let's now print both index and the fruit name together. We type for keyword loop variable I, in keyword range function, within brackets len function, within brackets fruits and then colon. Indented line print within brackets within double quotes index comma I comma colon and space comma fruits within square brackets I. This will show each index and the matching value. Let's run the program. The output is index 0 apple, index 1 banana, index 2 cherry, index 3 date. Perfect. This is great when you need both the position and the data. Let's summarize. We created a tuple called fruits. We looped through it using a for loop. We also used the range and index to get each value. And finally we printed both index and item together. Looping through tuples is powerful and very commonly used. In the next lecture we'll explore slicing, how to extract a portion of a tuple. Thanks for watching and see you soon.